Hi guys, Richard here at SheffLOCK. Just going to do a quick demonstration of how to put the Ultion keycaps onto the keys. This applies for both the WXM and the old version of the Ultion. Obviously you can see the number there, U. These are the X ones. So this version only applies to the older U model ones. Where we're going to use the shims. The WXMs don't need the shims, so it's the same process, but obviously just don't put the shims in with the WXM keys. So first of all, first shim just slides in, it just got a little slot, we'll just slide that on there, that's it. Next one, key goes onto the body and just slides in, and again this will push until you get a little click, and just see if I can adjust that a little bit. Next shim, same again. Just push that into place. A little bit fiddly on the second one, but we can just see that that now stays in the same place. Now the next part is a slider, and we do have to emphasise that this is a one-time use only. Once this slider clicks down there, there's no way of getting it back. So just be very careful, make sure that your keys in nice and secure. You've got the correct key in for the colour that you want to use, if you have gone for different colours obviously to identify. But this is a one-time use only, and we do have to make sure that people are aware of that. So first of all, this just slides over there, and we're going to push it down nice and slowly. Don't go too fast with this, just flip it over and just make sure the shim's not coming. You can see mine here is the shim's just catching. So if you just use your fingers, like I say, nice and slow, no rush, just get that to go over the shim, and again flip it that way, and we'll just see, and there she goes. So you can see how that's gone. Just click it back in, that's it. Yep. And then all we do now is nice and slowly again, you'll hear the click. That's it. A little bit more. That's it. That's the click there. That's what we want. Nice and smooth. Both sides sits nicely. And then the last thing is just the cap. You can see the cap has got a circle, and it's got a little ridge that just goes around there. That goes up to the top. So we put that in first to the top. Get it in position, and just clicks in nicely like that. And that is your keycap complete. Like I say, same process applies to the WXM key. You just don't need to use the shims on the WXM keys. They are, as you can tell, slightly thicker, so no need to use those shims. Again, that is how to put a Ultion keycap onto both the WXM keys and the older Ultion keys. And again, this has been Richard at SheffLOCK. Thank you guys, bye.